voordele om die evangelie te verkondig. Paul speaks in verses 15 to 18 about two motives of proclaiming the gospel. We also spoke about that. What's the two motives people even today proclaim the gospel? Selfish conceit, selfishness. They do it to get money out of it. No? Today's churches, a lot of churches, they do it because there's money in it. Believe you me, I was in Katlehong area, Katoris area, and there was a church, every 500 meters there's a church, with Zimbabweans or Nigerians. Why do they proclaim the gospel? And Paul's idea is he said there are people, two motives. The one proclaim it out of selfishness. They don't necessarily proclaim a false gospel. It's not written there when Paul says they're proclaiming a false gospel. He says they are, but they're doing with the wrong motives. So the false gospel and the one who does it out of wrong motives are basically condemned before God. But for the second motive, Paul says, other people do it out of love. Between verse 15 and 18. They do it out of love. Uit liefde, omdat hulle weet dat ek bestem is om die evangelie te verkondig. What is the main word so far in this chapter 1? Evangelie. 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 It's all about the gospel for Paul. He's got one track mind, and that's the gospel. Even be it through my body, I will keep on proclaiming. Even in my death, through my death, I will proclaim the gospel. Was Paul successful? Absolutely. Why do we have the book of Philippians today? Because Paul was successful in proclaiming the gospel. Because Philippians is the gospel. And every time Paul says, for these two reasons, two types of two motives, two advantages, every time he goes back to verse 18 and he says, that mark my blade, that mark my blade. This is for my rejoicing. All these things that happen, although I'm in prison, and now the gospel is proclaimed with the Praetorian Guard, and it's proclaimed to people with boldness, and people with false motives, and people with love for Paul. Every time it comes back to verse 18, maar wat maakt het saak? Even if they do it with wrong motives, what does it matter? As long as the gospel is proclaimed. That maakt my bly. Daaroor is ek bly. I'm full of joy. And then he says two ways that, or again, two things that happen in proclaiming in verse 19. Two reasons that, what motivates me. He says two things. First of all, your prayers. He says, your prayers. Verse 19. The prayers of the saints. We must never underestimate the powerful effect of prayer in the church. That's why we put it on Friday, such as I best Now, for your prayers will keep me standing and lead to it doesn't say to my vrylating, it says for my salvation, because we are working out our salvation with trembling and fear.